There are many ways to make money online, but not all of them appear to work. That's okay. Perhaps you're simply not on the right track and have missed out on the proper methods. You don't have to be concerned any longer because you've arrived at the right place. This channel was made for you to discover how to earn hundreds, if not thousands of dollars passively. What you're going to see might change your life financially. But before we start, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Daily Dollars channel. Where I will teach you methods and strategies on how to make money online. Before we go to our video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and click the notification bell to be notified whenever we upload a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can use this website, creativelive.com, to start generating anywhere from $500 to $1,000 in passive income. Just keep watching along as I'll walk you through everything in this video. If you're wondering, Creative Live is a company that provides various trainings and workshops. Now, if I go to the classes area, right here you can see that there are a lot of various types of classes, such as business, photography, and Adobe cameras, which fall under art and design. They have various drawing classes, branding design, and many more. On this website, customers may purchase a variety of lessons. Don't get me wrong, this is a completely free solution that requires no financial investment, and it's completely free. But in general, what we'll do is direct others to our website and advertise it as a place to buy and sell different courses provided by different skilled teachers. This is a completely legitimate opportunity and website that may benefit a large number of people. It's a win-win scenario since you can earn a lot of money online by referring others to all of these specialized classes. Not only that, individuals may have a great time while learning a lot of things on this website. So, once you get to this website's homepage, I want you to scroll down to the very bottom right and search for this category over here. Join us. And you want to see here, become an affiliate, and then I want you to click on this link. It will then send you to this website where you can learn about the affiliate program and how you can make money by connecting your audience to better content. There are lots of reasons to love and enjoy creativelive.com. One of these reasons is that they give you a huge 30% income share. 30% is a lot of commission in the internet world, and they do provide a vast range of different classes and courses that you may advertise, making it quite flexible and providing several earning potential. Furthermore, the second reason I enjoy the affiliate program is that your affiliate links will be tracked for a period of 30 days. Now, after you sign up for a free account with their affiliate network, you may begin obtaining your unique affiliate links and advertising them in order to earn commissions. Aside from that, you may receive money on all purchases made by your referred consumer within 30 days after the original click, in addition to the first 30%. Make sure you don't miss out on all the details as I walk you through everything step by step. Before we get to continue, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below if you aren't subscribed yet, and click the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video and to be the first ones to know a million more ways to make money online. Don't forget to smash that like button and leave your comments down below to show your support and tell us what you think. Now, let's assume you're offering these programs right here, such as Foundations of Photography, and you can see that the pricing is actually $59. From there, we may make a 30% profit on the $59. That is in fact your first front-end commission. Furthermore, if your recommended consumers decide to purchase, for example, this course, Adobe Photoshop, or they decide to purchase other different courses such as in the music and audio category, or they may just go on and purchase any other different courses within 30 days, you may still get paid. That's just crazy, right? Based on my own experience and observations, many customers return to our website and make additional purchases after enjoying it and learning a lot from the quality of the training. Right now, they're offering a large discount, which you can see here. It's a New Year Savings limited time offer, and you may only get 50 off the Creator Pass today. So right now is your best opportunity to promote different causes on creativelive.com because they're running a huge discount. Keep watching because towards the end of the video, I'll show you a couple of ways to create a free traffic by getting free visitors to click on your affiliate links, which will result in a lot of people purchasing these courses through your link, and you'll be the one making a lot of money. Therefore, remain focused and keep your eyes open. And one piece of good news is that I'd like to share with you right now. This website is actually presenting a global opportunity, which means that it doesn't matter where you are in the world. All you have to do is to join the affiliate program, which is completely free. Just click on this sign up button, and from there, you'll get to this page. Now from here, you may go down and read additional information about the affiliate program, which is basically just about to speak about 30% of the front end and the 30-day monitoring cookie. So when you get to the bottom of this page, you can simply type in your username, password, and country under this part, and then you can just type in your password and continue to complete your registration. It's actually rather straightforward. You can do it in just 5 minutes. So without further ado, and let me show you some of the potential ratios available on the website. Now when you click on courses and then all classes, you'll be sent to this page where you can see that there are a total of 2,070 classes from which you may send free traffic to a certain online class. And here's where the next issue arises. What is even cooler is that you can actually send them to some free training and free courses and classes on this website. And if your customers or traffic people enjoy the free training, a lot of them will go on to purchase all of these online classes because they are running a huge discount, and a lot of people will love them and make a purchase and make a commission instantly. For example, I click on this class right here, Fundamentals of Photography. I can watch the video, see the real cost, look over all of the specifics including the pricing structure, and read a lot of feedback consumer testimonials. Another popular category over here is Adobe Photoshop, which has a large number of customers who are eager to get these courses right now, and they begin to learn about photo editing, and I've shown you a variety of free traffic techniques for getting people to buy from your affiliate links. Now, Twitter is a really effective approach to gain free visitors and earn a lot of money. All you have to do is to go to twitter.com and sign up for a free account. Now, Twitter basically works like social media. A lot of people come over here to ask a lot of questions, and they can get a lot of targeted traffic from people who are looking to learn Adobe Photoshop. So for example, when you go over, just type in a keyword, how to use Adobe Photoshop. Then click on the search button down below, and you can find a lot of people. They're asking this question, how can I learn Adobe Photoshop? How to use Adobe Photoshop, for example. And there's this person right here, how to use Adobe Photoshop. I just spent $60 without using this app right here. And there are a lot of people, a lot of demand, and they're just simply looking for a training class. So learn about Adobe Photoshop, and guess what? All of them, they're super targeted traffic, and you don't have to spend any money right here to get a lot of commission. From this strategy, another well-known website, Quora, is generating a lot of free visitors, referrals, and commissions. As well, it works similarly with our Twitter strategy. You can go ahead and search on Quora.com. Go to the search bar where you can put in certain phrases such as how to be more productive, since they actually do provide these kinds of classes on creativelive.com. Self-improvement, entrepreneurship, photography, money, and finances are just a few examples, and the trick is to cast a wide net in order to catch a variety of fish. You may, for example, use Twitter to promote various Photoshop tutorials and camera instructions, or you can just go to Quora and identify targeted individuals in the financial and self-improvement categories. By doing so, you are expanding your horizons and target a wider range of people. Most people are interested in graphics and design, and you may easily encourage them to take different classes. You may see your graphic design, logo design, and other work under the art and design area. Furthermore, the income potential ratio is limitless. It was available for all people all around the world. It's completely free, and there are several categories or classes to choose from. I hope you find this video helpful. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below. Also, hit the subscribe button and notification bell down below to subscribe to the channel. Big thanks to everyone, and see you in our next video.